Oh, hello friends, and welcome to my channel, which is known as Krishna classes. Today we'll be reviewing Dell wireless mouse WM126. So this mouse is a wireless mouse. As you can see, there's no cord in it, and it is very compatible. It has got a comfortable design, as you can see. You can just like this. So, or maybe you like this. So it also has got a reliable wireless connection, Wi-Fi connection, Dell universal pairing, and 1 year battery life. Well, it depends on how much you use it. So this is the dongle, and on the back of the cover we have got some language set up easily. Just plug and play. 1 year battery life. Star battery life may depend also on your use. Battery life indicator. The universal receiver wirelessly connects up to 6 compatible devices. Well, that's good thing. Here's the model number, and it is, as you can see, it is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. You got VPN, barcode, and etc. etc. Here you have got the mouse in its packaging, Dell logo, the dongle as I told you. So this is the mouse. So let's open it up and see what's inside it. We are gonna from here, and we are gonna pull it from here, and then you pull this all thing forwards, and you do this thing. So there's your safety information, as we don't need. This is your warranty guarantee, or wireless one quick start guide, don't need. You got a 1 battery, that's a good thing. Let's take it off. That's our wireless mouse. You do not need this. And here is the mouse. You just take it. So what a lovely. Let's throw away the packaging and keep this here. Throw away this, and this. Do not need this, we just need the battery. So the good thing that they have given us the battery, or we will have to buy it out. So let's just take out the battery, and then let's throw this. Let's put the battery inside. Oh yes, but the most important thing I forgot about the dongle. I will show you, but I will just let me get the dongle. And here it is, the dongle. As you can see, it is written here, Dell universal pairing logo. This is the which plugs. It is pretty smooth and sleek, so you can just carry your mouse in your pocket or into the things. Very smooth, right? It's a very good thing. They did serious things on this job. I very much like it. Here it is your on off button. Let's put it on off. That's your LED light. If I'm right, this is your pairing. On here we have got one clicks the roller, and here got the Dell logo. So if here we go, let's just pull this on. So you have got you open this up, the dongle is there, and put the battery. Yeah, where's the positive? Oh yes, this is the positive. So this is you slide it like this, just and close the thing. You can then turn it to on position, and you can see that the mouse has started. Good thing, yeah. So it has got a very competitive design, so it's a very good thing. You can just Take this, click. Also, it is very much sleek, as you can see. Much mouse are compared, you know, they are bulky and etc, and very heavy. I'll get the other mouse too, so I can show you what's the comparison. Wait a minute. Yes, so here we have the Microsoft mouse. As you can see, it is very much heavy compared to this. The size, you can see the size. It is much smaller than this one, and also this one seems much streamlined. See how bulky and difficult it is to control, and it is also wireless. Both are wireless, but still this one is very much heavy, and I don't know what it's inside it, due to the cells, or it contains only one cell, and it also contains only one cell. So I cannot figure it out how why it is so much heavy. And besides, Microsoft the power switch is so disturbing that it doesn't get on. You have to place it in between. I will show you. You have to see. You saw a light blinking. You have to. It's just very hard and time-taking word. See, and it doesn't get on at all. I have to waste all my time in turning it on. See, well, it doesn't get on. Waste of time. Just put it aside. Compared to this, very small. The logo. So that's all. Universal pairing. You can see the logo is there. It has also got these smooth things, or whatever you call them. I don't remember the word right now. Yeah, I can see the Dell company model, etc. So that's now for all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like it. Thank you.